Hey YouTube, it's Alicia. I am in my bedroom trying to I wanted to show you this cute DIY project I'm doing, and I don't want nobody to come after me. I gotta give props to Amber Shaw here on the tube, and I had some AB crystals laying around and some pearls. And I had brought this random couple like earlier this month some random sunglasses, and yeah, these are the random sunglasses. And what I decided to do is I decided to pearl it and bling it out. So yeah, I'm not completely through, but the next time you see me, this thing will be blinged out. So this is just part one. Get ready for part two. Bye. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.